Alrighty, traders. Hello, everyone. Let's go have a look at the markets right now. We're starting to get a bit of a teeter-totter on the market right now, so let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. My voice is still gone from going to the Anthony Robbins event, so bear with me because hopefully my voice comes back very, very soon. Anyway, so looking at the stock market today, guys, we are starting to get a bit of a teeter-totter going on right now. We are definitely in a bit of a sideways. If you look at the actual check this out. All right, so check this out on the Dow Jones. We are definitely, as you can see, right, we are definitely just going sideways through here on the Dow Jones. Now, the really interesting thing here, right, is this. If we have a look at this here, we had a low, we have a higher low, we have a higher low, and we have another higher low. So right now, we have the trend coming up. But just because the trend is up doesn't mean it's going to continue, right? We always need to be alert of trend changing in the markets. So what would be a trend change is now getting a high and a lower high, but then also breaking the previous low. See that through there? So breaking that previous low. So that's what I would say I would be really, really cautious of and really watching what's going on with this markets right now, guys. You can see that this is what's going on through here. And so again, that'll be the level I'm watching for. That 34,000 level would be that big key level there that I'll be really, 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 really cautious of. Because if we do start to break down past that level there, then guess what? We do start to get something like that, then guess what? We're probably likely to start to see some really big downside movement out of the markets from there. So that's the Dow Jones. Let's go look at the S&P 500. Now we can see the S&P 500 is also starting to roll over as well too. Now I know a lot of people right now are saying that this is a head and shoulder formation. Okay, so you got your good old, your shoulder, you got your head, and you got your shoulder formation through there, right? So I understand that. I understand people are going to say, you know what, John, it's a head and shoulder formation. I'm going to short the markets. One of the biggest mistakes that people make when it comes to trading the head and shoulder formation is that they trade it when it's not confirmed. Now, what does that mean? If you get a run up, let's go shoulder, comes up, makes a head, and comes up and then starts back at the shoulder, a lot of people think, oh, there's a head and shoulder formation here, so therefore I'm going to short the markets. And then the market does that on you. And you're like, oh, the market's rigged, blah, blah, blah. It's like, no. What you want to be doing is you want to be looking at the best way to trade head and shoulder formations is once it's confirmed. Okay, confirmed simply means breaking of the neckline. So you got this high point here, high point here, high point here as well too. Okay, and you got this sort of the neckline here. Once it starts to break below the neckline, then we have a high probability of then maybe coming back up, testing it as a resistance, and then coming back down again. So with that being said, if we have a look at the neckline, so to speak, like that'll be the neckline there, or even just say support level, right? So that right now we don't know what this is going to be, right? Because this still could just be a high low. Now I doubt it now because we're starting to really get some strong selling. If we start to break below 4,350, then it's probably going to spell more downside to come. That's the same for the Dow Jones, right? We start to break this 34,000 level, we're probably going to get more downside to come. And same for the Nasdaq as well too, and then obviously same for the S&P 500 as well too. Let's go look at silver and gold. Let's go check out the silver market. Silver market right now, guys, is not doing much on a short-term level basis. Really just sideways here. But the big picture is getting me excited. The big picture is that weekly charts. Look at this big picture here, right? Big picture, we're getting a massive, massive squeezing up of this triangle pattern. And I really do honestly believe that we are about to see some serious price action in the markets from here. And once we do start to break out of this silver market, once we do start to break out, say, of $25, I believe we're about to see some really big movement out of it. And then also going on to gold as well too. You can see gold here, low, higher low, and higher low. And you're getting this pullback from here as well too, right? So you can see all this pullback here, low, higher low, and higher low on this weekly chart. And we're starting to potentially get a bit of a supporting level here on gold, where we're getting a low, we're getting this higher low as well too. So that's what I'm looking at there for this level. The gold market here, having this overall pullback here, we've got these higher lows here. I do see that this could actually be the start of a really nice move to the upside on gold. So that's what I look at. That's what I'm looking at through there, guys. Guys, make sure you grab that free trading course. First link in the description, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.